Hostel review. Oki Doki Old Town Hostel, Warsaw. I book all of my hostel accommodations through the Hostel World app. As you can see, here is a list of hostels that I've stayed in as well as the dates that I've stayed there. So my reviews are honest and real. Today I'll be reviewing Oki Doki Old Town Hostel in Warsaw, Poland. I stayed there from June 4th to June 7th. I'll go down to categories with Hostel World allowing me to rate each category out of 5 stars. The first category is security. The main entry door is locked during off hours and a side entrance with a key code is required for access. During regular hours, the main entry door is left open as Oki Doki Old Town Hostel has a cafe that is open to the public. Beyond the reception is an hostel area of the building which requires an access card to gain entry. Access to the dorms is also granted by the same access card which permits access only to the assigned dorm. There are security cameras located throughout the common areas. Lockers are provided in the dorms and larger items such as bicycles and full-size luggage can be stored in a separate area in the basement where only staff have access to. Overall, a 4 out of 5. The second category is location. Oki Doki Old Town Hostel is located in the old quarter of Warsaw. Everything to see is in all directions. There is an ATM machine, small supermarket, and numerous restaurants in this area. Plus, all of the historic sites and the piazzas are right in this area as well. The location is centralized and has easy access to public transit. For those who are taking a long distance bus, the Metro Marymount station is a 45-minute walk away, and the Warsaw Gdańska train station is only a 20-minute walk away. Overall, a 5 out of 5. The third category is staff. The staff at Oki Doki Old Town Hostel were mainly university students. They made sure everyone had a great time and was enjoying their stay. The cleaning staff were also very nice to make sure that they didn't intrude on anyone while cleaning. The staff here were genuinely friendly to all the guests. Overall, a 4 out of 5. The fourth category is atmosphere. Oki Doki Old Town Hostel has a full-service kitchen and a large outdoor patio with dining area. The front of the building has a small sidewalk patio and cafe which is open to the public. Guests were encouraged to meet and mingle, and every evening many of the people came to the dining area to share their daily adventures. It was very easy to make friends here, which I did. Overall, a 4 out of 5. The fifth category is cleanliness. The cleaning staff cleaned the entire hostel from the common areas to the sleeping areas daily. They arrived like clockwork every morning to clean the entire hostel. The staff at reception always check and clean the cafe areas in front of the hostel. Cleanliness was never an issue at Oki Doki Old Town Hostel. Overall, a 4 out of 5. The sixth category is value for the money. I paid €28 a night to stay. That was including taxes and Hostel World fees. The excellent location and old quarter, the cleanliness, the facilities, and the much appreciated security given the fiasco I experienced in Tallinn previously leads me to give Oki Doki Old Town Hostel a high rating. Overall, a 4 out of 5. The final category is facilities. There is an elevator in Oki Doki Old Town Hostel for those who prefer not to pack up their heavy luggage up the stairs. Despite being an older building, this was the most modern hostel I have stayed in at the time. While I do enjoy buildings with heritage, this was as modern as anything I would find in an urban center in Canada. The stairs were wide enough for people to pass each other. The incline of the stairs were acceptable by North American standards, and there were no hazards involving any accessing of anything in the hostel that was made to offer. There was a laundry service available, full service kitchen and dining area, plus a cafe. The bathrooms were not ensuite, but communal, and they were located on every floor. The bathrooms and dorms were spacious, the beds were acceptable size and comfortable. Overall, a 4 out of 5. My overall review on Hostel World is 8.2 out of 10, and I would not change that at all. My review is as stated in Hostel World. Oki Doki Hostel is a modernized hostel with great facilities, comfortable beds, and a cool atmosphere for travelers of all backgrounds. The bed size is average but very comfortable. They use a keycard access for security, and the bathrooms are spacious. There is an elevator for those who have to have heavy luggage, and there's a full service kitchen. The staff are really friendly as well, and the facilities are very clean. I recommend staying here. Like all of my reviews, I either recommend something or I don't. Okie dokie Old Town Hostel, I recommend staying here.